So I just got this package and I'm so excited. It's something new that I'm gonna start doing. So, by the way, this is not sponsored. So I have the pink nail extension gel kit. The package is really cute. Put it on the side. Can't open it. Let's see. Oh, that's so cute. That's from my cousin's neighbor who did that. Oh my god. This is sealed so tight. Three tapes. Okay. So, let's see. This is the first time I'm actually gonna see it. So, let's see. Let's see. So excited. Okay. This is cute. So, it comes with beautiful glitter powders. Okay. And then it comes with the 6W LED UV nail lamp. Okay. And I guess these are the Pink and Bling nail extension gel kit. Okay, this is cute. Cute. So I have this color. It's white, and I have like this pink, light pink, like medium pink, and then like a kind of like a bright pink, kind of, not really. And then I have this one that it's a little bit more like a reddish color, and this is like a bright pink. I guess it comes with the nail surface cleaner, 2-in-1 formula. And then I have this, the base coat. And then this one is the top coat. It comes with this one. And it comes with the little pen. This is cute. Can't get it. There you go. This is really cute. Brush and picker. Okay. So it's gonna look like, when you open it. Oh, this is cute. And then from the other side, the pen fell. It's the little brush. Okay. And then I guess it comes like with instructions how to do the nails. It's pretty cute. So we'll see how it turns out when I start using this. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. It's called the GW LED UV nail lamp. Okay. So it comes with like a charger. Oh my god, this is so cute and small. So it's this little tiny one, like a little portable. So I guess like this. And this is where you put it to charge. And it's gonna look like this. It's so cute and small. And it comes with like the instructions how to use it for your first time. Okay, and now I'm gonna open this one, Beautiful Glitter Powders. I haven't seen it. I have not seen this, so I'm gonna see it with you guys. Okay, so I see blue, silver, and then white, light pink. Okay. It comes with the nail shaper, which is so cute. Oh my god, these are so cute. It's like little diamonds. Okay. And it comes with this. Like if you wanna do them thicker, I guess. Not bad.